In this video, you'll learn how to use OpenResty X-Rays command line tools to find leaked Lua tables in an OpenResty Lua application. Let's look at a simple OpenResty Lua module that leaks memory. The demo.lua module has a foo table that grows every time the demo go method is called. The nginx.conf file configures the demo go method to run on every request. Before we run any requests, the process memory snapshot looks like this. After we run work for 30 seconds, the process memory snapshot looks like this. The nginx worker process now uses 213 megabytes of memory. Why is that? We can use OpenResty X-Rays Resty Memory Analyzer to check the memory usage of the nginx worker process. We run this command with the PID of the process. Then we open the URL in a browser to see the results. The results show that most of the memory is used by the HTTP LuaJIT allocator, which manages LuaJIT memory. We click on the pie chart to see more details. Most of the memory is used by GC managed objects for LuaJIT. We can see the breakdown of GC objects by types. The top 3 memory consumers are strings, tables, and global string tables. How can we find out where these objects come from? We can use OpenResty X-Rays LJGCO Ref Analyzer, which traces the references of LuaJIT objects in the process. We run this command with the PID of the process. Then we open the URL in a browser to see the flame graph. The flame graph shows that strings are the largest memory objects. We can follow the paths from bottom to top to see where they come from. The path corresponds to this Lua pseudocode. It shows that the strings are stored in the foo table of the demo module, which is cached and package loaded. This is how we can use OpenResty X-Rays command line tools to diagnose memory leaks in Lua apps. But you don't have to do it manually. OpenResty X-Ray can also do it automatically for you. It can sample and analyze the process memory and generate a report with human-readable conclusions. This way you can save time and effort and prevent memory problems from happening. Try OpenResty X-Ray for free today and see for yourself. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.